Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Google Nest Wi-Fi mesh router. Now this is the AC2200 and there's two methods to reset it. The first one we're going to do is through the Google Home app, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. Then you're going to click on Wi-Fi, and once you're in Wi-Fi you want to click on the gear at the top right hand side, and then you'll scroll down where it says Factory Reset Network. You click on that, and now this is going to reset all of your if you have another router, if you have some access points, it's going to reset all of them. And you'd go ahead and hit yes if you want to. Now remember, all your settings are going to be gone if you do this. Now I'm going to show you the second method. This is the method I like best. If you flip your router upside down, hopefully you can see that. Right there, there's a small little round button. Let's see if I can get that in closer. You can see that little button right there. It's round. You're going to hold that in for 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, hopefully you can see that. The lights turned yellow, and actually it looks pretty white on this, but it's yellow, trust me. Now it turned to white, and then it's going to turn back to yellow. Hopefully you can see that. It's going to stay this way for probably like 5 minutes, and it's going to go through and reset, and it can take up to 10 minutes to do this. But what's going to happen next, this is going to turn solid white, and then it's going to fade in and out doing the white pulse. And once you see that, once you see the white pulse, then you know that it's fully reset. So it could take up to 10 minutes. When I've done it before, it's taken right around 5 to 6 minutes. You'll see the pulsing white light. You can go through and reset it back up. If you need any help resetting it back up, I have other videos that'll show you how to do that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.